how to withdraw money from OKX to PayPal. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open the app and then you're gonna have to go to assets. Now the next step is to simply select any crypto and then you're gonna have to basically send those crypto to a crypto exchange like Binance. And from Binance, you're gonna be able to sell them for real cash, and then you're gonna have to withdraw the money into your debit or credit card. And after that, you're gonna have to simply go to PayPal, then go to wallet, and then simply click on a link a card and add that specific credit card. So basically, you're gonna have to select the crypto here in the OKX app, and you're gonna have to also go to Binance and click on deposit, then click on deposit crypto, and then simply choose the crypto that you have on OKX. And then you're gonna see, so you're gonna have to choose the network and you're gonna have this address here. So with this address, you're gonna have to go back to OKX and simply withdraw the crypto from there to this specific address, and then you can sell it from here. So you're gonna have to go to your assets here, and then basically you're gonna have to simply click on cash in, and then you're gonna have to basically select sell, and then you're gonna receive the money directly into your Binance account, and then you're gonna be able to get it directly into your debit card. So basically that's it. Thanks for watching.